Patients with sleep apnea, I find that when we address their sleep apnea issues, their day-to-day living gets easier. They're more alert. They no longer feel run down. Not as tired during the day as well. Those are the benefits that they see every day. But it's also the long-term stuff as well that's really important. So we know with patients that have sleep apnea, your rates of developing dementia, high blood pressure, and all the inflammatory diseases that come with it, that goes hand in hand with their sleep apnea issues as well. So by addressing sleep apnea, not only do they find their day-to-day living a little bit more comfortable, but it's actually affecting their long-term overall health.